Hi. Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Franklin and I'm so excited to present you what we have on our booth at Texprocess. So from today till Friday the 26th, we are presenting our technology, our latest technology and all the features that we can provide to our customers. So please enter the booth, I will explain you some of our exciting features. So first of all, we are going to start with our great machine TMBP, which contains the latest technology of Tajima. What is the new technology? It integrates what we call ITM, Intelligent Thread Manager. So the operator doesn't need to think about what thread is going to use and what kind of tension it needs. The machine will control everything by itself, so it will manage the thread, whatever the thread is. It could be metallic thread, thin thread, thick thread, the machine can handle automatically. So here, if you look at the machine, this is a brand new head without any button for the tension. The other thing is that the TMBP integrates what we call DCP, Digital Control Presser Foot. This technology allows to have the needle bar and the presser foot independent, so that you can control both individually. This will allow you to control the presser foot height and control the embroidery on different type of fabric, thin fabric, thick fabric, or whatever, or complicated fabric, and the presser foot can adjust automatically to the height of the fabric. So this will bring a better quality, detailed embroidery, complicated embroidery, and less cut thread. So on this machine today, and that's the interesting part of this machine today, is that we have equipped the machine with what we call multi-cording device. So you can, this is exclusive to Tajima, and you can use up to 6 cording options. So you have 6 needles dedicated to cording, and this allows you to have here different colors and different texture, and you can control the loop of the cording by adjusting the presser foot height. So this is a great technology, new, which allows you to provide new options for your designs. Okay, so we can have a look at the sample. So that's the kind of texture. I don't know if we can see properly on the video, but this allows you to really provide new stitch effects, new stitch type, and give attractive effect to the embroidery. Okay, next machine. I would like to, we will keep on going with the TMBP machine, and here we are showing an exclusive feature from Tajima, which is called multi-patch feature. So these features allows you to embroider logos or sport team logos and personalize, and we can do them on the multi-head machines. So you save time because the operator will just start the machine, and the machine will automatically start and stop heads depending on what the name is on the embroidery. So for example, here when you look at the screen, you have one logo. The logo will be done on all machines together, on all heads together, sorry. And when the logo is done, then the machine will automatically start and stop for each name. So you can see here, we made some countries. So the first one is Italy, the next one is Canada. And in this case, the operator doesn't need to think about stopping the machine or restarting the machine. It can do other things, other embroidery, so the machine is dedicated to the job by itself. Okay? Thank you. So let's go to the next step. Maybe later for this one. I would like to go to the coloring machine. single head machine. The single head machine here, TMBP, is still the same technology. We have associated it to Coloral units. Coloral units allows you to dye the thread on real time. That means you don't need to use all the threads from the bobbin thread or all the stock thread you have in your company. It's one thread only, which is located behind the machine. And here, this is a dyeing machine. That means it will dye and provide the color you need on real time. That means you can use unlimited colors and crazy effect that you cannot achieve with embroidery standard embroidery machine. So just to show you some samples of what can be done. Here, oops, sorry. So here you can see you can have grading embroidery, allowing to provide some interesting and attractive designs. The advantage here is that everything is done by one thread. So you can see behind, you don't have, it's a clean embroidery because we use only one thread. Okay? This unit with Coloral has been associated to Pulse ID. That means here, your customer in a shop can scan in the QR code and directly customize the product on his mobile phone. So here you choose the QR code here, and this will bring you to a user interface where you will be able to customize your logo and your products. So here, for example, I will write Tajima. I can choose different type of fonts. I can generate. I can choose different colors, gradients, and apply the changes. When this is done here, you can just order, receive your order, type your name and your email, and receive your order on your mobile phone. This QR code, this barcode, can be read on the machine, and you get your embroidery design directly in the machine to be embroidered. So the operator in the shop just has to press start button from the order to the machine. No need to do anything. Next part of the presentation at our booth this year is our collaboration with the very popular and famous brand Ricoh. So this is a brand new partnership we have with Ricoh and Tajima, providing solution and mixing together printing and embroidery. So it's a great opportunity to associate those two technologies together in one solution. So in this, during this demonstration here, we will have a printing with the new machine from Ricoh. This is the D1600. You can print DTF logos up to 100m60. Okay, so this is the wide production machine from Ricoh, DTF solutions. We associated the Ricoh machine with the DTF here, together with our embroidery machine. So the process is that we print the design on the Ricoh DTF technology. Then we come to the press and press the design on tote bag here. So the printing is now fixed and printed on the tote bag. And then we move to the machine, to the embroidery machine here. And we use on the machine, we frame the bag, and we use on the machine here what we call the alignment feature. So from here we can give 2 points to align the design and the embroidery so that we match embroidery and the printing together. and it will automatically match both technology, stitches, printing together. Okay, so that's a very interesting demonstration here where you can really synchronize printing and embroidery together. Then I would like to show you another exclusivity, a new machine at Tajima. So this is the new TMBP XC machine. So this is the widest embroidery area for a single head machine. You can use a border frame up to 55 centimeters depth, up to 1,200 millimeters width. So this is very useful for flags, big flags, dresses, or big embroidery, where you don't need to cut the design, so you have a wide space for embroidery. Not only this, the machine is very flexible. You can remove the frame and embroider caps or t-shirt, polo, mounted fabrics, so that you can really be flexible with the machine. So this uses the latest technology of Tajima as well. It has the new screen, touch screen, which now equips most of the machines, the newest machine. Touch screen, 17 inches, very easy and very comfortable for the user. Okay. So maybe you can have a look to the results. So in one shot, design can be done. So 550 millimeter by 1,200. Okay. Yes. So let's move on to the Pulse ID solutions. Today in our booth, we will show Pulse ID solutions. So now the booth is quite busy, so let's just find a space. So this is very exciting to see all those people. So here we have a corner where we show the newest version of DG17 with new features, new functionalities, so it will be time to get in touch with the new functionality in the digitizing software. And we also have demonstration for Pulse ID solutions. Pulse ID allows you to connect your machine, allows you to control your workflow in your company, your production workflow. You can connect all your machine and get reporting, production reports, production reporting by operators, by shift, by machine, by design. So you can have a look maybe to the screen here, to the dashboard, where you see all the machine connected and running. So here you can see how efficient the machine are. You can see whether the machine stopped, for which reason, if it's a cut thread, a trim, or whatever.
Yes, sir.
If the machine stopped for some reason, then you know exactly what happens with the machine. And Pulse ID solution for also personalization. Now the web to print, web to embroidery is fully ready. The advantage of Pulse ID is that you can control all the technology together in one interface. So you can control printers, DTF printers, engraving machine, embroidery machine in one location. This is really the biggest advantage of Pulse ID, to control your orders from the web to the machine without human interaction. So we suggest you to ask for a demonstration, or come to our booth, or ask for your local distributors for demonstration for those solutions. So here we have some experts, and you will be able to review them during those 4 days for the Pulse ID demonstration. Let's just have a quick look to some samples, embroidery samples. So here you have a bunch of sample where you can see all the technology provided by Tajima. So you have some lace embroidery or some embroidery including beads or sequin. So you can see all the different kind of effect and number of colors used in our machine. You have some very interesting design made of beads with the seed beads options in our machine. So 2-color bead option to do some really fantastic new design. So here, this is really new device, 1mm sequin, which can be used for creating new type of attractive sequin effect. Okay, I think that we made a quick tour of our booth, showing what we have today, and we will be here for the next 3-4 days until Friday. So there will be some other speakers tomorrow, every day 10 o'clock. Please be on time. We will keep on explaining you everything about Tajima technology and attractive features. Thank you very much.